Hello, dear students. Welcome to Anvesha Ghosh Academy. Hope you are all fit and fine. Today, we will be going to start a new chapter. Students, I will teach you in such a manner so that each and every line of the book will be crystal clear for you. So, let's start this new chapter, Work, Energy and Power. By the way, I will be showing the textbook ICSE Class 10 Physics, concise, written by Goel sir and Tripathi sir and published by Selina Publisher. So let's start the discussion. First of all, what do you mean by work? In our daily language, the word work is used for some sort of exertion like physical or mental activities. While writing, reading or eating, we say that we are doing work. Don't disturb, I am engaged in doing work. I am doing some laborious work. The kind of terms we tell our surrounding people. But in terms of physics, such kind of activities are not considered of work all the time. So, in terms of physics, what do you mean by work? Work is said to be done only when the force applied on a body makes the body move. That means there is a displacement of the body. What do you mean by displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance along a particular direction. Displacement is a vector quantity. Vector quantity means the physical quantity having both magnitude or value as well as direction. Another vector quantity is force. And work done is actually the product of these two vector quantities. So whether work done is a scalar, that means only magnitude, not having any particular direction, or it is another vector quantity. We will explain later a little bit. For now, some examples of work done in terms of physics. A man while pushing a car as per this picture. A cyclist while pedaling a cycle. A horse while pulling a cart. A boy going upstairs. So in all such cases, some displacement has been taken place by the applied force. So we can see that all these objects do work after applying the force over that. However, sometimes in spite of applying force, objects do not work. When, however, if a man tries to push a wall like this, or a child tries to push a heavy stone and they are unable to move it, unable to do so, scientifically, in terms of physics, no work is being done by them. So, in order to say that the objects shows work done only when the force applied on the objects will make it to move. Similarly, a coolie does no work while standing with a heavy load on his head, although he feels tired since the displacement of load is zero. So even a person is feeling sick or tired, but still no displacement is going on, so no work done will be there. So in a nutshell, we can say that work is said to be done only when the force applied on a body makes the body to move. That means there must be a displacement of the body. So work done is the product value of the two terms, the two quantities, force and displacement. So I think the main concept of work done is understood. We will discuss another modules like measurement of work done, their units, as well as to solve some numerical examinations, problems important for examinations. We will discuss in the next video. So stay tuned and please subscribe my channel and share the videos with your friends as well. And don't forget to give your feedback, your suggestions or whatever. If you have any queries for the particular videos, don't forget to mention in the comment box. That's all for today. Bye bye. See you in the next video.